In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lovable.dev web app to WordPress website. Lovable AI Guide. We'll start inside Lovable. Open the project for the specific web app you want to show on your site. You want to be on the app's main project page so you can access its publishing options. Think of this as the home base for your app. Everything you need to share it lives here. Next, publish the app and copy its public URL. This part is essential because WordPress will embed the app using that live link. If you haven't published yet, go ahead and do that now so the app is accessible outside the editor. After publishing, open the link in a new tab just to confirm it loads correctly. Keep that URL handy, you'll paste it in a moment. Now switch over to your WordPress dashboard and head to Pages. This is where your embedded app will live on your site. You can add it to an existing page, but creating a fresh page often keeps things clean and easy to manage. Create a new page by selecting Add Page. Give it a clear, descriptive title so visitors know what they're about to use, like the name of your app. You'll be working in the block editor for the next step. Inside the editor, insert a custom HTML block. If you don't see it immediately, click the plus icon to add a block and search for custom HTML. This block lets you paste the exact embed code so WordPress displays your app correctly. Paste your embed code with the app's URL. The simplest approach is an iframe. For example, use an iframe with the src set to your Lovable app link, width set to 100% so it spans the page, height set to something comfortable like 800 pixels, and a style that removes the border. Read it like this: iframe, source equals your app's URL, width equals 100%, height equals 800, style equals border colon 0, then close the tag. Make sure the URL starts with HTTPS so it loads securely. If your app is taller, increase the height. If it's too tall on mobile, you can adjust later. Some themes may hide overflow. If you notice scroll bars or cropping, tweak the yield height value or add a allow full screen if your app needs it. That's it. The page will render your Lovable app through the custom HTML block. You can use the editor's preview to check spacing and responsiveness. Congratulations, your Lovable.dev web app is now embedded on your WordPress site, ready for visitors to use.